Have a good day. I love you.
Love you.
Huh? Yeah. They're all gone. They're all gone. Good afternoon. My car is a mess, so I'm gonna clean this up. Welcome if you are new. My name is Veronica. I'm a wife and mom to 8. My car is a mess. We went to Flagstaff this last weekend to get the kids' school clothes and whatnot, and I wanted to get my car clean before school started, but that did not happen. So I'm barely gonna get it done right now because it's the second day of school. What you saw this morning was the first day of school. I just didn't get a chance to film yesterday as much as I tried. My camera ended up dying, and I thought I was charging it. I didn't end up charging it. It was a mess, so I didn't even end up filming. So here we are today. But I need to clean my car before we go pick up the girls from school today. So that is what we're doing. It's a mess.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never.
Not nearly as clean as I want it to be, but it's just about time to go get the girls from school. So, it's still messy. Somebody spilled chocolate right there, so I need to scrub that off. I like to wipe the seats down and everything too, but... And, ooh, it's still messy, but... There's junk that's not there. I like to take the car seat off the covers of the car seats and wash those too, but I don't have time right now. Did you hear that loud thunder? So I'm probably not going to get to finish today, but it's a start. Come on. It's raining. It's raining already. Let's go get the girls so they won't get wet outside. Did you hear that? Oh, that was loud. That's loud. Uh-oh, baby's crying. Let's go put him in his car seat so we can skedaddle.
Let's go.
It's coming down quick. Just as I finished, it came down real fast. Kids are back from school and the rain completely stopped as soon as we got home. crazy. Little man has not been able to sleep. He's been trying to take a nap since about noon, and it's almost 4 o'clock. He just can't. I don't know. I think it's all the noise that's starting to get to him. So I'm going to put him in here, and maybe he'll take a little nap. I haven't had a chance to do dishes. I did them twice. I finally broke down to my husband, and I said, hey, you know what? I need a dishwasher. My dishwasher has been broken since December of last year. I can't handle it anymore, guys. I keep having to wash dishes and dishes and dishes. I even tell the kids, after you eat something, wash your own cup and plate and put it up, because it's gotten so bad. It's gotten out of hand. It just seems like cups especially. So hopefully soon we can go to Home Depot and get a new dishwasher, because I am in dire need of it. But anyways, I'm going to start washing those dishes that I have in the sink. And I guess I was going to start dinner, but I can't start dinner yet because we're having hot dogs. Easy dinner. Hot dogs and salad and beans and what else? Maybe I'll make some homemade French fries. And will you look at that? He's out. He just needed mama. That's what he needed. Because every time I would put him down, he would wake up right away.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start.
I don't know why he has such a hard time falling asleep today. Maybe I noticed that he's starting to eat a little bit more. So maybe he didn't sleep until his belly was full. But I don't know. It's almost time to go get Perla from her cheer practice. But I'm going to chop up some potatoes so I can make some French fries with those hot dogs. Kind of want to add bacon to the hot dogs, but I don't have any. We're not big bacon people.
Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't
And I totally forgot to end this video, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you next time.